Hey Mr. Seriously. I just appreciate the way you're dressed today. I love your tuxedo, it makes you look so business focused, especially with the shade of blue you picked for your tie. Also, I just want to ask you something about your cute little cat tail. Where did you get it from? The streets? I am pretty sure I remember that's the exact same tail I wore for Halloween a few months ago. I had to abandon my black cat suit out in the street because I had the strange feeling of being followed by my beloved. Could it have been you?
This school is stupid. I hate it here. Hey kid, no good deeds on my watch. Hey Professor Baldy, Mrs. Clementine, get your butts over here.
Please don't talk to me. I'm not very good with people. Did you seriously think that I was going to send you to a random location in this school and bring Baldy with you? Wow, you must be dumber than I thought.
Odd. Why would you prank an innocent student like that? Everyone in this school need a chemist? I'm happy to help you make potions. Okay, I'll get my potion materials out. And make sure to stand back. Here's your very special potion. Enjoy. Well, that didn't work out so well. Sorry for wasting your time. I'll try to get better at chemical compositions.